Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can change output language in Gemini. So changing your primary uh, to your primary language, you will need to go to the Google account language setting page or navigate to personal info in your Google account. So how to do that? Now click here on the right top corner where you see your profile picture, click on it and then go here to the manage your Google account. You will be redirected right in this Google account profile, and right here in search Google account we can type in language and we can then press right here language personal information. And here you preferred language, you can change it if you click here on this pencil change language. And now you can select your primary language and hit save, and this will change the output. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.